Hi, my name is Naresh Kumar and I'm a trainer, mentor, and a coach. So, today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic, and that is money. So, it is very interesting and everybody loves to hear about it. Now, you may have heard about many things that money is knowledge, money is power, money is lot of things, etc. etc. You can add one more line, and that is money is spirituality, money is God. Now, how it is, I'll justify it. Now, if I say that money is God, money is spirituality, it means that the person who is earning more and more money, they are more spiritual. Obviously, they are more spiritual, but not all rich people are spiritual. Only section of the people, only few people are spiritual. Now, why only they are spiritual? Because if if money is spiritual, then you have to earn the money in a spiritual way also. Now, what is spiritual? Now, what is spirituality? Spirituality is nothing. It means that only to serve others. You need to serve self and to serve others. That means you are born on this earth to serve others. Okay. Now, if you're earning money by serving others, then that money is spirituality. And the more and more you earn spirituality, the more and more you feel the blissfulness. Now, if money is spiritual, then you need to utilize it for the spiritual purpose only. Now, if you have accumulated money and your intention is not good, your intention should be also spiritual, to serve others, and it can be various other way. Now, if your intention is not good, only and if it is in a bad way or cruel ways, then that money is not going to stay with you. That money will not give you any kind of blissfulness. That money will go away one way or the other, or one day. So why to do that? Earn money through spiritual way and utilize it for the spiritual purpose, and then you get more spiritual blissfulness. So that's very important. Now, the people who have earned lot of money, they are spiritual, I have said. Okay, now let's take example. For example, let's see Ratan Tata. Is he spiritual? Apparently yes. How spiritual? If you say, we have seen lot of interviews and all, he has been talking about ethicals and ethical values, practicing in his own in his own company as well as in the corporate life. He has been advocating about the spiritual, ethical practices and the spiritual practices. And if you see his forefathers also, GRT Tatas and all, everybody, they all have been very spiritual. How they are spiritual? They had lot of money. At one point of time, they were the very most powerful man in this country, GRT Tata. He was the pioneer of lot of things. He's again the successor, was very powerful man. It has been very long time, and it's a very conglomerate. Tata has been associated with lot of things. Anyway, so he has been very powerful, very spiritual man. Apparently, we can say, at least. Similarly, you can see very others like Ajim Premji, or you can say like Jeff Bezos or Bill Gates or many others. They all have been spiritual. Why I'm saying spiritual? They have earned lot of money. How? Spiritually. How spiritually? Because they are serving others by delivering value to others. If you deliver more and more value to others, you are becoming more and more spiritual, and that gives you spiritual blissfulness. To experience the spiritual blissfulness, I'll suggest you that once you donate something to a needy person who is in need of it, not only money, if you any stuff you can donate, for any food stuff, who is very poor and who is hungry, and the feeling that you get is totally different. You cannot describe it. It means that we are also a spiritual being. All living beings are spiritual being actually, and we are here only to serve others. That our duty it is to serve others. Now, if that way, if we do all the activities or business and everything, then we are getting more and more spirituality. So earning money is not a bad thing, it's a spirituality. Now, the people who are not earning money, they think that earning money is a evil thing. Money is the evil, is the only cause of all evilness. They are wrong. They are just speaking the bullshit. They are spreading the rumors and nothing else. Money is spirituality. The more you earn money, the more you become spiritual. Now, you may say that why that only the rich people will get spirituality and the poor people will not get spirituality. Of course, they won't get. If they don't do spiritual activity or spiritual any kind of activity, they won't get spirituality. Now, spiritual activity does not mean only earning money. It can be various other activities like meditation or various other kind of activities. Our Hindu religions is to say that we should do this, that, those. So there are various activities. Apart from that, delivering value is a part of spirituality. Now, if you're not earning money, you are having a lot of unfulfilled desires, and this is not good as a human being. People has been thinking that there is always a scarcity of money, this and that. There is no scarcity of money in this earth. There is an abundance of money. If it is a spirituality, there is abundance of spirituality. There is abundance of money, but you need to earn it. If you don't earn, you will not get. Just show some value, deliver some value, and see how the money will come, how the value will come, how the spirituality will come. There is enough money. See how the companies are growing, how the FDI is coming into it. Say for example Paytm, say for example the Byju's, or say for example the Vedantu. A lot of investment they are getting. At this time when the recession is taking place, the crisis is taking place, people are putting a lot of money in the business. How? Where this money has come? There is always a cash flow will go on. Whether there is a recession or anything, cash flow will always be there wherever there is a value delivery. If a spiritual activity is going on, there will be spiritualization taking place, and money flowing is also spirituality. But evil work will not give you spirituality. If you are doing through a cruel ways, through dirty ways, then those money is not a spirituality. Those are not spiritual. Those are only your cruel activities, and this will not give you blissfulness. This will not give you spirituality. This will not give you the value which you intends to by accumulating the money. Accumulating money is not bad, it's a very good thing, but it has to be for the spiritual purpose, and spirituality is nothing but to serve others. So earn more and more money, know the various method to earn money. If you're not earning money, you are doing a crime to yourself and to your coming generation, and you'll regret later on, and you'll remain unfulfilled in your life. So earn more and money. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.